are nothing but the browse capabilities, search capabilities, and some other miscellaneous capabilities. Means when we try to perform any sort of information retrieval, okay, by using any search engine, either it can be your Bing or Yahoo or Google Chrome or Mozilla or any other. So it is providing us functionalities or options such as for searching capabilities known as called as the querying, browsing, or miscellaneous. So we have seen over there, querying we have completed. Okay, so querying can be get performed by using various ways. So by making use of the boolean, proximity, continuous word phrase, fuzzy, and term masking, number and data range, along with the term expansion, natural language, we have seen. So today we will see how to perform the browsing. Okay, so in browsing, search capability, it determines the retrieve documents that are of interest. What does it mean is, whenever we will try to find any particular information from the net. Okay, so it is going to show you us line item status as well as data visualization. So line item status means whenever we will type any details or any query onto the search engine, at that time it is going to provide a certain details. So it will be not at the single individual time, we will not get the entire details of 10 pages or 100 pages, whatever we are asking for, either it is a book or a magazine or a journal or a movie. So we will just get a single line of information, so that is called as a line item status, and we will get it in a summarized form. So only the title is going to be there, or what sort of the file it is going to be there. This only information we are going to get, along with certain data visualization is also going to be over there. Data visualization means some colors are going to be get used for representing the information. So powerful browsing capabilities are particularly important when precision is low. Precision means accuracy or the correctness, whatever the query we have fired, if we are getting the correct result, then it is called as the uh, precision, means we are getting the correct information whatever we are looking for. So browsing gives us powerful, means if we put particular query properly, then it is going to give you a success for your answer. So how does it is going to, first we will just have a look on to these two slides, and then I will show you practically what exactly it means. Okay, so in browsing, item summary can be get shown as we discussed, that at a time we are not going to get the entire information onto the screen, because there may be more information which can be either the 10,000 documents associated with your query or more than that. So one line status only you are going to get. Now what does that information may consist of? It may consist of some title or some author name, or the particular relevance factor. So this only information it is going to consist of. In that line we can't get more details, but the title we are going to get, then we can open it and check out inside and get known with the details about that. Documents may be displayed in more than one line. So as we discussed, because inside our screen is of some length, fixed size, so it can't able to show us all the documents at a time. So documents may be displayed in more than one line at a very few cases. Okay, so summary order, so boolean system. Now how does it is going to be get displayed? So we do get information onto the by making use of the search engine, either in a alphabetic order by making use of the title, or by date. Okay, and which is associated with some relevance factor. Relevance factor is nothing but the feedback that we will user will give when he viewed the pages. So a two-dimensional map is used in which the query and the retrieved documents are placed. So whenever we will hit the query, at that time we are going to get the information into the forms of two-dimensional graph. So two-dimensional graph is nothing but like we are going to specify our query, and graphical visualization is going to be get perform for the information which is going to be get retrieved from the server end. Okay. And further, as we all know, it is a single line information. When we go on to the details, we can able to zoom it, and it will use the colors also. So instead of going to this theory, I will show you practically, means you will get more and more clear. Let's have a glance of this slide. What does it says? So vocabulary browse is also one of the term that we will use. Vocabulary means depends on the author's vocabulary, means system will store the information inside the database. From that, the contents are going to be get displayed to the user. Okay, and iterative search. What does the meaning of iterative search? Iterative search means as we will not able to see at a time all the content, so we do try to check out again and again until we will get the satisfaction. So that is nothing but called as the iterative search. So let me tell you all these things with Google search only directly, means you will get more clear instead of the theory. Okay, so this is your Google search engine. Okay, so there are various ways, okay, to fire the query. So when you are firing the query for any particular document, okay, so it can be get fired according to the different options. It is not like that we can simply go over here and fire the query. There are various ways to fire the query. Suppose if I am trying to perform here um, any of the search, suppose river, then now you will get this particular page. Okay, so when you will go to this particular page, there are available various options such as all, images, maps, news, videos. Okay, again settings and tool. Now if you want to go into the depth query, or if you would like to perform good queries, so you have to go to tools. Okay, you can right click onto uh, these tools, and then you can able to see here in settings options. Okay, you will have all the different types of searches. So search setting, firstly I'm explaining along with the languages. Okay, so this search, whatever the output you are going to receive, we can able to see it in various languages. Okay, see how many languages are going to be there. So it's up to your choice. You can click on any of this, and then you are going to get the particular data into particular language. Okay, so don't do this setting again if you are unable to understand that English word for your computer. Then you may get the text in that particular language, and you may not able to change. So likewise, so if any particular language is understandable to you, then only in that particular language you try to perform the change. Okay, so by default here English is set. Okay, so then I will get the output in English language, but apart from that, it is going to provide me different languages which are supported by the Google engine. So this many languages we can able to get the output by making use of Google search. Okay, so this is about the in the settings tab. If we go for any particular option, okay, then we will have the first option as language. Okay, then here there is an option called as, these are the two basic, okay, hiding for the results. Okay, and this is important, advanced search. Okay, so in advanced search you can able to have various, like we have seen no various operations such as or operation we have seen, then exact word phrase match. So these things we can able to perform over here. Okay, then you will get many of the times you will notice that if you try to fire the query onto single simply by visiting Google search engine, you will get various outputs, okay, which you may not be interested. So if you want the correct information, then you should prefer the option known as advanced search. So advanced search option is going to be get available in the settings tab, okay. If you click onto the settings, then you will get this option known as the advanced search. So here you can find all these words like this, the tabs are there. See, you can notice here multiple tabs are there, such as all these words or exact word or phrase, or any of these word means or operation, okay. If you don't want any particular word, then you can put that minus symbol besides to that, and you can able to find it a particular answer. Then here you will have the option for languages, okay. So you can able to select any language, combo box has been given, okay. And then region you can select where, whichever the country, okay. So here many countries has been listed, so from that you can able to get the information from that particular country source, okay, directory. Then last update means the particular information, okay. So any information is going to come at the server end at any time. So you can redefine your search that I want from last 24 hours newspaper data only, or I want a week ago, or I want a month or a year ago, or anytime means all, since from the server whatever the data is there that you are going to get, that is called as any time, okay. So by default it will have the settings such as any language or any region or any time. These are the by default settings we are going to have. And here you can able to specify the site. Suppose many of the times you will be interested to see Wikipedia only, okay. So then you specify there that I want only from this site output, so wikipedia.org. So you will get that only output. And save search so that any of the your data should not be visible to end. And formats, okay. Format means which type of the data you are expected. Either you are expecting PDF, or you are expecting your whatever the different types of extensions files are there. Most commonly we will try to download, suppose doc, okay. Any search if you are doing, then you want that data to be available in document file Microsoft Word. So this you can click means you will get that particular, or PowerPoint you can able to select, or you can able to select XLS file. So by default it will have nature of any file format, but you can able to specify your search so that you can able to get the correct output. Then this rights means some of whatever the documents are going to be there, that will be get license, okay. So under which license it is going to come. So for internet whatever the information is going to be available in web server, there will be creative common license and commercial and other license, okay. Are you able to see this screen, all of you? Hello. Yeah, so better you can do one practice, like you can, if you are using the laptop, simultaneously open your Google Chrome and check there in advanced search what are the options are available, okay. So all these words, so if any term is there, if I try here any proverb I am typing and I am hitting the search, so I should able to get the data associated with only that barking dog seldom bite. So this is what the term I have given, and only where in whatever, either it is a form of video or it is a form of text, I should able to get in that these words, okay. In the title I should able to get these words, means relevant to this only I am able to get the output, not any other output. So what I did, I have gone to the advanced search, and there all these words, this all the words should be available, like that I have searched. Now the second option is this exact word or phrase, okay. So suppose I have given Mahatma Gandhi, so I should able to get in this only the information associated with the Mahatma Gandhi. So I'm getting, okay, so you can see I'm getting some of the documents, images also I'm getting, and some videos I'm getting, okay, like this I'm able to get all, means whatever is there in the net associated with the Mahatma Gandhi, that I am getting. Here see how many entries or results are available. This many output you can able to get. How much time the computer has taken? 0.77 seconds, means this Google search engine has taken this much of the time to give me the output. So you can able to go here to the next, it will continue as long as this many files you can able to view, okay. So these many results are available, these many documents are available associated with the Mahatma Gandhi, who can able to provide you that particular information associated with the search. Again we'll go to our yeah, now any of these words, suppose, so any of this means or operation we can able to use. So we can able to use the or operation. What does this or operation means? So we can in any of the thing which we are interested. Okay, I want any product of Japan and or India. So I will get all the information associated with considering both, okay. So I will get Japan also as well as India, or suppose any particular product if you are looking, a mobile phone suppose if you are looking, so you can specify your search, like I want the products, okay. Here also you can able to specify your search, and then you will specify associated with the Japan or India. So if I hit the enter, okay, so I got the output India, okay, okay. So I'm getting all this associated with also I will get the information ahead also, as long as so there is huge information associated with it, okay. So depends on the location, it will able to provide the information. So or means any of the option, okay, or is called as any of the option. So right now we are in the all tabs only. Then here we have seen all of this word means all words you can give. Here exactly whatever the you want, that you can able to give. Here any means or operation you need to use. And here none of these words. Now what does here none of these words specifies is, none of these words means, suppose if you are interested in searching the cars, suppose, okay, you would like to purchase car, so you are looking for the specification, but have in your mind that I don't want nano or alto car, so you, or any company, particular company car, so you have to put minus sign besides to that. None of these words means this word should not be appeared, okay. So if I minus from that alto, and then I have hit the search, okay, here a lot of earlier things it has considered. We need to go to settings and we need to go to the advanced search, okay. It has, it is in his dictionary, it has told, okay. So we look for only for the cars, okay, and we don't want the alto. So and then if I try to say perform the search onto this, okay, so double minus, not single minus is required, okay. So one time minus we need to use. So what does it will give? All the cars information it is going to provide to us apart from the Alto car. So Toyota or latest car in the, or whatever the associated information it would like to provide to you, that it has been specified. So initially you will get here the option known as the minus symbol, so that will be get deducted from this. Okay, you need to use one time minus symbol, means it is going to deduct the particular information. So again we'll go for the advanced search, and likewise we can able to specify here range also. Okay, now suppose any product if you are interested to purchase. Okay, so any TV, suppose if you are interested to purchase in the range of 10,000 to suppose 30,000. So $25,000. Okay, for our sake of understanding, we are firing this query. And then if I'm trying to give the, so it will consider it as particular range. Okay, and in that particular price only it is going to list you all the products. Okay, all the products are going to be get listed with that particular price in the range of 10 to suppose 25k, which you have kept under your query. So you will get that particular relevant results. Okay, so this is nothing but the what do we call it as range. So we will have here various options. Okay, in the settings tab in the advanced search, if we go, we can able to specify either the words or exact word phrase match, or a particular range can be get provided over here. Okay, language option is there, region is going to be there. Okay, since from how many days if you are interested, so that particular also you can able to fire the query. So these are of the various options that we will get, and we can able to fire the query. So site or domain, suppose if you want any particular information from this site only, so that you can able to specify. So you are searching suppose for the Mahatma Gandhi. So and here if you come and you here you will specify your site name. So or any government site only if you are interested. So you will get all the information about Mahatma Gandhi, which is available in the Wikipedia source only. So you can check out. Okay, so all the relevant information associated with the only Wikipedia is going to be available over here, including some of the images. So here you can able to define your search. Okay, by specifying the site name or .gov, like that you can able to specify, means some government sites only are going to be popped up. Okay, so some of the government related sites has been appeared about Mahatma Gandhi. So likewise you will get these options in the settings and in the advanced search. Okay, so this is available for the all options. Then if you go for the images, if you click on to the images, in the images also if you check out here, you can see here in the tools tab, if you click, if you are interested in a particular image, you can able to ask for a particular size also, that I want 200 by 400, or this many pixels size. So that much size of image you can able to get. As well as there is an option called as colors also. So which color image you are interested, so you can able to select the any of the color, and that particular only color images are going to be get displayed. Type, okay, type of the image, either it is a GIF or clip art or line drawing. So by default you will have only any type, okay. But if you want to specify your search wisely at this particular color, or from past 24 hours or last week, okay, month or year, so that you can able to specify over here for the images. Suppose if you are looking for the images now, and in the images, suppose, uh, yeah, okay, again we'll have Mahatma Gandhi, suppose. And now we got all the images, okay. I have been to tool, and I'm specifying here color as red I want. So see, maximum all the images which consist of red colors nearly I'm going to get as output, okay. So you can change this color, okay. Red, you can say yellow also. So relatively, how much maximum images consist of the yellow color about the Mahatma Gandhi, you can able to get that particular image. Now any size, these images you can able to notice that some are shorter size, okay, some are bigger size. There is no fixed size. So you can able to give the size also, what size of the image you want, okay. So majorly it has been classified as large, medium, and so you can able to give that particular search as I want larger size or medium size, or otherwise I want an iconist size. So see, these are the smaller size images. So you can able to specify your search wisely, then type, okay. So line drawing image, suppose, so, or clip art images, if it is available, it will give you that images in that particular cell. Then time means what, recently it has came to the server, suppose past 24 hours anything has came, nothing has came, suppose past 1 week, okay. So there is some information associated with the past 1 week. I got this much information about this person. Then past 1 month you will get the more data, okay. In yellow color I'm asking, okay. So this much I got relevant. So likewise, if it is over there, it is going to provide you. So instead of icon, if I say any size means I may get more images, okay. So likewise we can able to specify our search. So by default it will be in the any option is going to be there. So you can change this color also, by default it will be any. So you can have the right to change this color for your images whenever you are trying to search this. Or you can able to go from your settings also and advanced search, and here now you are doing for the images, okay. So here you can able to see any color, full color, black and white, transparent. Likewise colors are going to be there. Only face or photo or clip art, line drawing, animated, these are the different types of the image you are interested of. Any particular site means that site name you can able to provide. File type, now images, you know, JPG files will be there, GIF, PNG, BMP, SVG. So you can able to specify any of the format. Suppose if you want JPG image, then you select the JPG image for whatever uh, you are asking for, suppose, okay. So the Mahatma Gandhi is only written, suppose here you can give here anything as your choice, and then you can specify the advanced search. So these all images will be in JPG now because you have clicked. You can check it also what type of the image it is, okay. So you can inspect the elements, or you can download that, and then you, if you right click onto it, it will show you that what type of the image it is, okay. And If you want to restrict your search according to your files names, you can able to specify it. So here I am making it as again any format. So all these types of things you can able to fire. Okay, for the news also, for Mahatma Gandhi we are getting this many result. So you can able to redefine your search. Okay, all news you are interested, or some blogs. Okay, recent or past, whatever hours, 24 hours, week, or your choice. And sorted by relevance. What does this relevance means? There are two ways. Okay, one is by relevance and one is by date. Date means whatever according to the chronicle order which is going to be coming. So 2 days ago means recent. Okay, recent will be get placed first. Okay, so maximum times here it is sorted by relevance is by default selected. Okay, so sorted by date also is going to be there, and relevance also. Then you can able to specify that option. So date I have given, so now it is showing 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, and 2 hours, 2 hours, like that, 4 hours. So it will consider first hours and then it will consider for the days. Okay, so likewise, so because I have selected according to the date. And there is another factor known as the relevance. So relevance means customer feedback. Here if you go to the last here you will have the option known as send feedback about that particular. So you can able to specify your feedback over here by typing whatever I liked it or are not like it, or any suggestions you would like to specify. Or you can able to take the screenshot also of that particular page, whichever the information you liked or disliked, so or whatever the comment you would like to put. So based on to the customer feedback which is going to be over there, onto that the relevance feedback is going to be get calculated. So it is going to be get available for all the Google search pages. So you can able to cancel or send. Okay, so if you want to type and if you click on a send button, it will go. Okay, so I'm here doing cancel. So where it is available at the extreme down, you will have an send feedback option. Okay, send feedback, if you click then you will get that window. So based on to that the customer's feedback is going to be get considered. So that's why here you will have two options. Okay, either it is associated with any sort of information, so sort by relevance and sort by date. Okay, so same for books now. If you are looking for a particular author book, so it will have a document. So document, either it is associated with by default any document, but otherwise you can able to select either a book or a magazine or a newspaper. So, if you are looking for magazines on the Mahatma Gandhi, then you will get only the magazines as output. Then you can look at it too or download. Okay. So likewise. Okay. So sometime maximum times it will be a single line, and sometimes they will give the 2 to 3 lines of description also. It is going to be available about your query which you have fired. Okay. So in this way you can able to specify your search. So any book and Google books or free books if you want to download, so you can able to check these options and you can able to provide your whatever the concern you do have in your mind to look after. So time you can able to check out. Okay, relevance and clearing this means it will go off. So likewise you will have, suppose for maps also you will have the option. Okay, so if you click on to the more, you will get here maps, Google Maps. So we need to remove this. Okay, so here is what Google Maps is providing you good options. You can able to add your own locations also, or anything if you want to check out. Okay, So here also you will have more filters. So if you are looking for any of the site or any hospital or any restaurant or any visiting place, okay, so all this will be get added into the what do we call it as in the Google Maps, and you can able to get the particular information whether it is opened or closed or any other associated information by looking into this. Okay, or you can create, suppose if you are having your own school, or if you are having your own college, or if you are having your own business, then you can able to add also, you can able to add your own suppose if you see here CMR Technical Campus, okay, we can able to get the details about the CMR Technical Campus. Okay, this is our college with this image we are getting. So if you are running your own business and if you would like to do advertise, so any person can able to upload his image, okay, of the particular business or anything which is associated with you. You can add a photo also to it. Okay, so here we can see our college. So likewise of your business you can able to add any photo to it. Okay, and can check out whether it is working or not. So add your business, what is the term? Add your business. So here you need to give your details correctly. If you have something, then only you have to what should I say, you have to give the correct detail. Okay, if you are not having that particular information, because here also some agreement is going to be there, it may be free, but some as your IP address is going to be get traced, and if you give the wrong information, it is not the correct way or ethical way. So 5 to 6 pages of forms will come there, you need to give the information. Okay, so if you give the wrong information, it is not going to work. See here, this will be 5 to 6 pages of information. So next is going to come, then business category it will ask, suppose education institute I am typing. Then next, do you want to add a location customer can visit? Yes, I want to add location. Next, uh, then it is asking me whole information, which is country, India, city, pin code, state. I need to give this information, then only it is going to work. Okay, so something I'm giving here. Um, so it will, if you try to give the wrong information, it is the problem. So again I'm clicking here something, then again I'm saying next. So I can able to, and I can able to add my photo also, and if I click on the manage now means it is going to be available that for your name or for your business. So I'm not going to take this. Okay, because I'm giving the wrong details. So I'm coming back from that. So here if you have any your business or your restaurant or your any shop, so for that sake you can able to add it. Okay, so you can able to add your business. This is the tab which is going to be available, where you can able to give to the Google search engine from where you need to create it, right? So this is what all is available. Mm. Next is, yeah, one more thing which I can tell to you. So in the Google search, so some results we can able to hide, and so this is what your activity. Okay, what you have did is going to be get a display. So all search activity and Google activity. whatever I have searched, see, we have searched right now for Mahatma Gandhi. So all it has been showing for the government site we have seen. Okay, TV we have checked up this price, and then cars we have seen in this. So this is nothing but the history, whatever we have searched. Okay, so since from here we have searched today. Okay, so timing also it will show, and what are these all details it is going to be available. Okay, so whatever you have performed the search, you can able to delete also all the search activity, or delete last hour whatever you have performed your search, because Google engine is going to trace your all the information whatever you have performed your search, that is going to be available over here, right? So this is the way we can able to make use of wise way of search engine. So we can delete the activities, and we can again go back to the normal. So a lot of options are going to be available over here. So any business also you can able to add it over here. So Google Ads will be there, the feature it provides you the feature where you can able to give it for your own business. So again you are coming to your and here you can specify your basic search. If you type something, then you will get this all relevant. Okay, there will be one more where you can able to restrict, like suppose a minimum we will get at any time this 10 pages only. Okay, so we can able to redefine that also in a setting. This already we have checked, just your data search. So feedback can be get provided. So it's up to you however you would like to feedback. So there is restrictions also we can able to provide. So once we have given this for videos, again there will be certain options. Okay, so you can able to specify your search by giving. So here it is showing you all. So you can go to the tools and your quality. Okay, high quality videos you can able to specify. Suppose short video for 0 to 4 minutes, or medium video for 4 to 20 minutes, or long video if you are interested. So you can able to specify your search in this ways also. Then this is, that was one option. Okay, this is also you can able to give custom range, means from this to this. Okay, so any search if you are specifying that from I want a the from 1st October to suppose 20th October, so you can able to specify, and if any information associated with the particular search keyword which you have kept, so it is going to appear. Okay, so 1 days 2 days like that it is shown. So we have kept our search from 1st October to 20th October. Okay, so that is a range we have specified, custom range. So this is also one of the option is going to be available over here. And yeah, file type also we can able to provide. um, that will be applicable for all only. So all, and then we'll go to the settings. So as we have specified for the images some files, so here also we can able to specify that only I want the information about the river, only PDF documents I want, so only I will get the PDF. Okay, so here you can see PDF it is showing, so PDF. Okay, so all the PDFs which are associated with your search, only that document. If you give XLS means XLS files you will get, if you give .doc means .doc files you will get. So in this way you can able to get the different sort of files. Okay, so you can able to get the different sort of files according to your search which you have given to the system. Okay, so this is what we have seen today, various ways how we can able to use. And here you will have some collections and something. Now here search setting, this is also important. Here no, you can able to do in search settings, whenever you will try to hit the query, so by default 10 is going to be get set, means 10 pages you will get in an output in one single page. So if you want 20, okay, you can give, you can set that 20 also. If you want 30 pages to be get displayed on one single screen, that also you can able to do. Okay, so these are the various options are going to be there. So by default it will have 10 pages, you can make it as 10, 20, 30. But as the time, okay, when we have seen the time also is, it is going to calculate. So as we'll ask for more and more pages, it the system become performance is going to be slow. Okay, for the 10 pages it will retrieve the faster way. For the time which is going to required for 20 pages, suppose I want onto this search and I'm going to save this, we need to save this. Okay, whatever. And okay, now I am giving, so we are in images, we'll go to all option. So now you see we are getting more results. Okay, so search setting 20 we did. Okay, we can able to come for 30 and let's check. Okay, 0.88 seconds time it is showing. How many atoms it is going to display, okay, on the single screen. So here you are getting more and more atoms. So see here you are getting the nearly 30 atoms. Otherwise by default 10 means 10 atoms only you used to get, and you used to go for O, Google O means you, in the next page again you will have the, in that length 10 or 20 or 30. So here as we selected 30 atoms means we are getting on one individual page 30 atoms. Okay, in the second go again you will get the 30 atoms associated with that. So it is up to your setting what you have kept. If you will have in a search setting option only about the 10, so make it as 10 because speed will be more. And we'll say save and say okay, means at a time only it will have in a single. If you are performing the search 10, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it has we need to refresh I think. Okay, so likewise we can able to perform or we can able to set our search. Okay, so we can able to go here in the settings and we can able to do that search setting of our specified range. So this is the one of the option, how many documents we are expecting. For that we can able to get the particular results in one page, 20 documents, 30 documents or 100 documents you want, that you can able to do this. So this is what has been told in these slides. Okay, what is the relevance feedback? So you could have got clear. Relevance feedback is nothing but the term whenever the particular customer or a client will visit any Chrome engine and he will specify his query and he will generate the feedback. Okay, feedback can be sent from this. Okay, or other 2 3 ways are also going to be there, multiple ways are there to send the feedback. So based on to the customer satisfaction, relevance is going to be get calculated. Okay, and that relevance it is going to consider. And canned queries, so there is one more concept known as the canned queries. So canned queries is nothing but the term, if you are performing any search and if you want that for a permanent time. Okay, you want that information to be get visible almost all the time, then you can make use of the canned or store queries. So you need not have to fire that query again and again. So what is given, users tend to reuse the previous queries. Okay, and allows user to store previously used queries. And so these queries are nothing but whenever the user wants the particular information to be get available to him, is without firing off again and again repetitively that query. If you are working on particular database and you need that for your work, so why should you waste the time for searching that? So you will make use of this can queries. So for firing the can queries, don't go for this option. Okay, so there will be a software is going to be there. uh, okay, so based on to that software such as elevate software, you can able to make use of this software and you can able to use the canned query. Okay, so there are certain softwares or products are going to be there which you require to log in for that, and then you can or you can take it as your plugin and you can able to use this concept of the canned query. So canned query meaning is you can able to store some of the results for you with you for the longer duration as much as you interested. Relevance feedback, you got clear whatever the customer will give after visiting that page, that is called as the relevance feedback. And this all things you know very pretty. What is vocabulary browse means, we have seen already. So we'll get alphabetically sorted orders or date wise. Okay, so those are various options which are available in the Google search engine. Iterative means until we'll get our satisfaction we will try to hit the query. So this concept already I have discussed with you. Okay, this is nothing but the visualization. Okay, so visualization you have seen colors we have used for images. Okay, so or we can able to zoom in and zoom out, that we all know. So Wikipedia means any link is going to be given, and from that if we clicked on some other page we'll get the more details. So a two-dimensional map is also going to be get used for visual summary. So visual summary we can able to see in Google search engine by going to the option. It is, I think, Google Ads only option is there. We have already discussed. So there is more and more to tell about this. Okay, whenever I'll get the time, I will tell you how to fire the different queries. Okay, so for today we will end it over here. Okay,